Choosing Huron was hands down the best decision I've ever made. Moving from Kenya, I was super nervous about being so far away from home, but as soon as I arrived on campus, I felt like I belonged. For me, the best part about Huron is the tight-knit community. It honestly feels more like a family than a university. Everyone genuinely cares about you over here and wants to see you succeed, which I love.
What really drew me to Huron was the amount of support and resources available. I think for me, the connection to Western, it's a game changer. I can attend Western's events and join sports teams right across the road, but I still get that personalized support and hands-on learning that Huron is known for. So really, at the end of the day, it's the best of both worlds.
Huron provides a learning experience that you just don't find at other universities. Our small classes allow us to offer unique experiential learning opportunities and trips abroad that really expose our students to new cultures and global perspectives. I also love the fact that I get to know my students, their goals, their passions, and how I can really help them grow.
Something our students really enjoy is our hands-on approach to learning. We're taking lessons and applying them in real-world scenarios, and I think that's a great way to bridge the gap between theory and practice. We also provide pathways to Ivy Business School for students that show interest in a case method style of learning. So when they move on to postgraduate studies or jump right into their career, they're ready to take on real-world challenges and make an impact.
At the end of the day, we want our students to know their next steps after graduation. At Huron, every student is provided with the opportunity for a paid internship experience and to get involved with the community. With the support from our career development team, we help students align these roles with their interests and prepare them to make a positive impact in their careers and communities. We also have an incredible alumni network with some of Canada's top employers. So by the time our students graduate, they've already established a professional network and gained practical skills that will help to set them up for success.
We've had the pleasure of working with several interns from Huron over the years, and they always stand out. They consistently come in with innovative ideas and a professional mindset, and it's been a really great experience having them as part of our team.
Huron played a huge role in shaping my career. Coming to Canada, I knew how important it was to build that crucial network, and Huron helped me to do that from day one. Every internship, volunteer experience, they opened doors for me that I didn't even know existed. And they connected me with leaders and mentors who really helped me to get to where I am today.
Huron gave me so much more than an education. It really gave me the tools to grow as a leader. I learned to think critically and take on challenges and surround myself with people who constantly push me to be better. Looking back at the opportunities, the mentorship, the community, all of those things gave me the confidence to go after what I really want and to make a difference while doing it.